Fakatep, okay, says, again, I saw BCH too soon, to be honest. I'm done with crypto. I wish you all the best, Skinny, but I've tried hodling everything, went to shit, then I tried trading and all the meme coins pump, but back then BCH dropped even more. Now when I don't have any positions open, it's pumping like crazy. Hey, you still have your capital. Just the game is rigged. Yes, the game is rigged. Life is not fair. You can think of so many things wherever you are. If you're in Europe, you can think of how unfair things are. Like the European Commission lady, who is her name? I just saw the news. Ursula von der Leyen. There was, people were saying that she got $1 billion deal for Pfizer vaccines. I don't know. Yeah, it's the elites. And in the US as well. Not just there. You can talk about. We can also go to Asia. We can go to Africa if we want to. Right? The world is not fair. Right? The top people are the ones who are rich, and the poor people are the ones who are being exploited, right? So it is not for me. It is not for the weak. It's only for the strong. It's like, for example, if today you want to start a business wherever you are, I'm not so sure where you are. If you want to start a business, whatever it is, let's say you want to start a pizzeria. I mean, look around. There's so many pizzerias, right? There's the chain pizzerias, Domino's, or there are your local mom and pops pizzerias selling pizzas, and you want to enter the market. Do you think you can make it, selling pizzas, right? How tough is the competition when it comes to selling pizza? It's very tough, right? So that's why when it comes to restaurants, right, 90%, actually the statistics is the same across. 90% of businesses will fail, right? Even if today you were to become a salesman, right, you were to sell, let's say, insurance, the failure rate is very high as well. You might see only the top dogs of the insurance world, right, where they drive Bentley, Rolls-Royce, they drive a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. These are the top dogs, right? What you don't see is at the bottom, so many people who just fail from, doing insurance. 90% of people just don't make it, right? Even when it comes to trading, the failure rate is very high. It's very, 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 very high. Right, and so you have to have the desire, the strong desire to want to become the 10%. You don't want anything less than spectacular. You don't want to live an average life. You want to live an excellent life full of color, full of joy. You want to experience everything that life has to give to you, and of course, for that to happen, money is ultra important, and trading is one of the ways where it can take you out of your position where you are right now, right? And you would be able to enjoy true freedom only when you have money. So, yeah, a very good motivation will be your whys. Who are your whys? If you have a family, you will be doing this for your wife. You do this for your daughter, do this for your son, do this for your children. If you have, if you're younger, probably you have parents, you do this for your mother, you do this for your father. Think of them. They are your whys. They are going to push you beyond what you can actually do. And because of that, you are going to just tip, the gods of, the gods of crypto is just going to see it and it's going to give you the luck and it will just tip you over into the 10% bracket, and eventually you will make it. So don't lose faith, right? I say we got to hold on, right, to what we've got. It doesn't really matter if we make it or not. We've got each other, and that's a lot for love. Okay, I forgot the lyrics. Whoa, we're halfway there. Whoa. I think I have more chance to win lottery than make gains on crypto. Lottery, what's the chance of winning? Okay, let me see. What is the chance of winning, let's say Powerball, right? I'm just going to assume you're from the US. 1 in 292 million. This is not even 10%, right? The odds of being profitable in trading is 1 in 10. This is 1 in 200 million. I disagree with you. I totally disagree with you. Let's be honest. We can predict the market and still get wrecked. Of course. So this is where risk management come in. Do you know that the best traders in the world, they are best traders win rate, right? See, the most successful forex traders have a win rate of around 50 to 60%, which means that they win about half of their trades and lose the other half, right? But successful forex trading requires not only a high win rate, but also good risk management, discipline, patience, and a deep understanding of the market, right? Most good traders, which means that if this trade is a trade that is not profitable, if this trade is a trade that is profitable, the next trade is going to be a loser. Those are your odds for the top 10%. Those are your odds. Do you know that? Yeah. So my point being that there is a way where you can shift the odds where you are actually the casino, right? The moment you go into a casino, the odds are already against you, right? But in trading, there's a method, there's a strategy, there's a system that you can deploy where you shift the odds into your favor. When you win really, really big. Sure, you're going to lose as well. Does the casino lose? Sure, but over the long run, the casino always wins. So you want to have the mindset of a casino. You are a casino now. And eventually, you're going to start making money if you think like a casino. That's right. Profitable traders, they have an edge. You must have an edge. It's very important. What is your edge, right? There's this guy, Jack Schwager, Chwager, Market Wizards. You should check out Jack Schwager's Market Wizards, right? The latest book that he came out with was it New Market Wizards? Is it? Or Unknown Market Wizards? I forgot already. He just... okay, no, it's not. Anyway, he what he does is Unknown Market Wizards. Is it the one? I forgot which was the one. Yeah, one of the books that he just published, I think was it last year or 2 years ago, was about people who have an edge over other people, right? There was this guy, right? I'm just gonna shipping live map. There was this guy who used marine traffic, right? Just to see where all the oil tankers have been moving, right? Looking at the world. So just based on the data, let's say for example, the oil tankers are, let's say, leaving the Gulf into America, right? Going to Europe, and after it goes into America. And there is a trader who makes trading decisions based on this, just following the oil tankers on oil. There's his age. That's his age, right? So yeah, amazing guy. I know Market. You should check it out. There are a lot of people who are really truly profitable, and they all have one thing in common: edge. They have an edge over the markets. So yeah, okay. Because only Binance know how the market will move because they are controlling. Again, this is called accountability. It's like, bro, you have to be accountable for your own actions. Binance didn't put a gun to your head and ask you to sell, right? Binance didn't put a gun to your head and ask you to buy. It is you yourself with your own impulsive and impatient moves that make you buy and sell, right? You're doing it based on emotions. If you could detach yourself from emotions, you'll be doing so much better. You'll be able to just follow the system and be like a robot. The more robotic you are, the more successful you could become, right? Just do it purely based on the system that, you know, that if you could develop it for yourself rather than being emotional. Right, because what you're feeling right now, right? Okay, let's just look at Bitcoin Cash, right? Because what you're feeling right now is FOMO, very big FOMO, right? And yeah, I did mention that. What is this? Public? Okay, this public. I did mention that that this was a squeeze, right? And of course, potentially. Oh, what's this? I think it's an old one. I did mention that potentially. Oh, okay, BCH USDT. Sorry. Yeah, that potentially this could be a squeeze, right? But we didn't get a D and E. Sometimes these kind of things happen, and this is good. Why? Because you didn't lose money. You still have gunpowder to deploy, and Bitcoin Cash is just a the only coin that is rising. Plus, alt season is still not here yet, right? If you look at total 2, we're still not in alt season yet, right? This is alt season, bro. This is not alt season. Bro, it's not alt season yet. This is alt season. You're still early. All right. So relax. Yeah. So my advice is that don't react too much to the market, and be able to let go of things, right? If, like, for example, you are in a relationship, and if your wife or your girlfriend changes, right? She starts doing things that are red flags to you. You must be ready at any time to let her go. It is very hard. Sure, it's gonna wreck your heart. You're gonna be so sad. But for example, if, let's say, your wife or your girlfriend, you found out she was being dishonest to you. Let's say if she cheated on you, this is a red flag. This is an instant no, right? And you can't, start blaming, all women are like that. All women are bad and they are, broken, and that's not true. No, all women are like that. They are good women as well. It's just that you need to be clear of what you're doing, right? When you're selecting a mate for the long term. So, yeah. Anyways, you're the guy. You're supposed to be the leader in the relationship. You're supposed to be the one to make the decisions, right? To be able to guide both of you and navigate through life, right? You should be the one to you should be the one in charge. My point is that, and you should know, and you must have your own principles, and you must stick to it. So yeah. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna show my trading group now. Patreon.com/skinnymoonhunter. Right, there are people with 10, 20,000 or even 30,000 in capital without really truly learning how to trade, and they don't mind losing it in the market, risking it in the market, right? And everybody would think that every trade that they make is a winning trade. No, it's only 50%, right? Most people will think that 100% of their trades are winning trades. No, it's 50%. It's only 50%. And you must have a system, a strategy to manage your losses. So yeah, anyway, the point is that my suggestion is come on board. Take a look, see if trading is for you or not. Again, trading is not for everybody, and this is a monthly thing. But again, it's not for everybody. So yes, it's up to you though. There's no, So yeah, anyway, you come in, take a look, see if trading is for you. If you like it, don't like it, yeah, this is how you find out, right? So most people are just They want quick gains. You want to be rich today. You want to be rich now. You want to be rich in this hour. You want to be rich tomorrow. You want to be rich next week. No, it takes years to learn the skills that is necessary for trading. Not only the skills, but you need the experience as well. You need to be able to discern and tell apart what's a good trade and what's a bad trade, right? For example, it takes time. For example, if you want to become a chess grandmaster, it takes 10,000 hours. Right, if you want to be good at playing guitar, right, guitar is gonna take you years, 3 years, right, to at least be good at it. Maybe about 1 year, I would say, but still, you won't be able to shred the guitar. And of course, depending on what guitar you're playing. So yeah, it takes a lot of time, right? Even swimming as well. You can't just jump in the pool and start swimming. It takes time to learn how to paddle, right? Step 1 is you must learn how to float, right? Step 2 is you must learn how to propel yourself forward. Step 3 is you need to learn how to breathe, right? Step 4 is you need to learn proper strokes. And then step 5 is you continue to practice again and again and again and again. And then you become good at swimming. And you can join all the big boys in the big boys pool and swim with the big boys, right? It takes time. My point is it takes time. So yeah, there you go. Think of your why. I say we gotta hold on to what we've got. It doesn't make a okay, let's move on.